The Amazon rainforest has earned the title the lungs of the earth for a vital reason. It produces a staggering 20% of the world's oxygen. Think of it as the planet's own giant air purifier, working tirelessly day and night. The myriad trees there take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in return. Astonishingly, the Amazon rainforest is home to about 10% of all the known animal species in the world. Imagine a place bustling with diverse life forms ranging from jaguars prowling the forest floor to pink river dolphins gliding through its waters. It is essentially a living encyclopedia of biodiversity, home to around 390 billion trees that form shelter and sustenance for creatures big and small. Whether it's a sloth lazily hanging from a branch or a bribing macaw streaking across the sky, the variety is stunning and unparalleled. This biodiversity isn't just fascinating, it's crucial for the Earth's ecological balance. The Amazon rainforest has the unique capacity to generate its own rain. The trees release substantial amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere, leading to the formation of clouds and subsequent rainfall. This isn't just a weather pattern, it's a self-sustaining cycle that ensures the forest remains lush and green. Essentially, the Amazon has its inbuilt system to water itself, illustrating how intricately it is designed. This system also contributes to the region's high moisture levels, making it one of the wettest places on Earth. The Amazon River is nothing short of a natural wonder, acclaimed as the largest river by volume globally. More than 1,100 tributaries snake through the dense jungle, some even surpassing more well-known rivers such as the Thames or the Rhine. Stretching across approximately 4,345 miles, it is a vital waterway that nourishes the region's flora and fauna. The Amazon rainforest is often hailed as a medicinal treasure trove, with over 25% of modern medicines derived from its myriad plants. Yet, many species remain understudied, holding the potential to lead to breakthroughs in medicine. The Amazon acts as a natural carbon sink, absorbing massive amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere. This helps mitigate climate change, a role that's becoming ever more critical in an era of rising global temperatures. Just as a sponge soaks up spills, the Amazon absorbs carbon emissions, helping to balance the Earth's atmosphere. Protecting this carbon sink is more than an environmental concern, it's essential for the well-being of our planet. An impressive fact about the Amazon rainforest is its age, believed to have formed over 55 million years ago. This makes it one of the oldest ecosystems on our planet, a living museum of evolutionary history. Adding a touch of whimsy to its biodiversity, the Amazon is home to glow-in-the-dark mushrooms. These fungi emit a natural, eerie glow to attract insects that aid in dispersing their spores. Imagine walking in the forest at night, surrounded by these luminescent life forms akin to nature's own light show.